How to fix mobile network not working on Android phone. So the process is very easy and simple. So first open airplane mode and again turn off airplane mode. After that, now go back and open setting in your mobile phone. Now click on the search bar. Now type rest. Open rest phone option. Now click tap on again rest phone. First rest Wi-Fi settings. Click on rest settings option. After that, now click on rest app preferences and tap on rest apps. Now go back and restart your phone. After restarting, the problem will be fixed easily.